Chapter 2: Cell Structure and Cell Organization. You are going to learn about cell structure and their functions, types of cells and types of organisms.
Cell is the basic units of life. It exists in various shapes and sizes. It made up of a plasma membrane which contains protoplasm. Its function is to carry out life processes. There are two types of cells: animal cell, plant cell. Plasma membrane is thin and semi-permeable membrane. Its function is to control the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Cell wall is thick and only exists in plant. It made up of cellulose and it is fully permeable membrane. Its function is to maintain the shape and provide support to the plants. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure. It contains organelles. Its function is act as a medium for metabolic reactions. Nucleus is spherical and has double membrane. It contains nucleolus, chromosome, nucleoplasm and nuclear membrane. Its function is to control and regulate the activities of cell. Ribosomes are small particles consisting of RNA. Exist freely in cytoplasm or on surface of rare. Its function is to synthesis of protein. Rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are membrane-enclosed tubules continuous with nuclear membrane. Their functions are to transport system for protein and lipid. Mitochondria is rod-shaped and has double membrane. Its function is a site for aerobic respiration and releases energy. Golgi apparatus is vacuolar region. It has complex network of vesicles biting off at its end. Its function is to control the secretory activity of cell. Chloroplast is disc-shaped and has double membrane. It contains chlorophyll. Its function is to carry out photosynthesis. Vacuole is cavities filled with cell sap. It has semi-permeable membrane. Its function is to maintain rigidity of cells in plants. Similarities and differences between animal cell and plant cell. Density of organelles in a cell depend on the type of cell and its function. There are two types of organisms: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Amoeba is unicellular organism. It lives in water and does not have fixed shape. It uses pseudopodium to move. It takes food through phagocytosis. It reproduces asexually through binary fission. Paramecium is unicellular organism. It lives in stagnant water and its shape is fixed. It moves by rhythmic beating using cilia. It uses cilia to brush the food down to gullet. It reproduces asexually through binary fission, sexually via conjugation. Multicellular organism. Multicellular organisms are complex living organisms that need many different types of cell to carry out the living processes. Cell specialization. Cell change in different size, shape and structure. Each type of cell performs only one specific function. Cell organization starting from cell, tissue, organ, system and lastly organism. Cell is the basic unit of life. Structural features of cells are related to their functions. Tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. Organ is a group of different tissues that work together to perform a specific function. System. Several organs which work together to carry out a specific function. Human body has 12 different systems, for example, nervous, circulatory, digestive, respiratory, muscular systems. All the organ systems work together to form an organism. Homeostasis is the process to regulate the physical and chemical factors in the internal. Thank you.